Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So have you ever wondered how much YouTube pays YouTube creators for YouTube Shorts? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how many views I got in November in addition to how much YouTube paid me for the YouTube Shorts. So let's go into the numbers. So in November I got almost 60,000 views for my YouTube Shorts, and it was shown over 100,000 times in the Shorts feed. I got 1,600 likes and I gained 114 subscribers. If you're interested in any of this data down here, how many people chose to view, I had over 50% of people decided to actually view the shorts as opposed to them swiping away. And right here we have my top shorts. I got like 9,500 views, 9,200, 9,100, 8,100, and 5,600 views. So pretty good numbers, I think, so far. I don't upload shorts every day. I think I was here this week, I would uploaded pretty much every day for 4 days, and then a couple this week, and just sporadically uploading shorts, just messing around with them. But let's go into the revenue for the YouTube Shorts. So for all of the views that I got for the month of November, YouTube paid me $8.72. And yeah, that is not a lot when you consider the fact that I got 60,000 views, but the fact that I was able to generate any revenue is pretty awesome. And as you can see here, my highest paying day was $1.69, and here we made like not even a penny. 24 cents, we made 43 cents here, 7 cents, 5 cents, 24 cents. Here we made another $1, so a pretty good day there. And yeah, so we're gonna go into the top 5 of my shorts that actually earned me money, just to give you guys additional data in case you decide to want to start publishing YouTube Shorts. So this YouTube short got 9,600 views, I got 34 subscribers, and YouTube paid me $5.25. And I do believe a decent amount of this revenue is because I got like a super comment, super chat, whatever you want to call it. Let me just click on the revenue here. Okay, yeah, I had a super chat of $5, and out of that $5 I got $3.50, and I gathered $1.75 from ads on the short, which is pretty awesome. So jumping on to the next one, this one I got 9,200 views. This one gave me 27 subscribers, and YouTube paid me $1.54. And this one is still actually getting views, which is pretty awesome. So within the last 48 hours I got 133 views, so still being shown in the shorts feed, which is great. So I might actually surpass 10,000 views in the long run, which is going to be pretty nice for me. So next one here got 9,200 views, only got me 3 subscribers, but this one paid me $1.36, so not bad for this one here. Average view duration of 17 seconds, average percentage viewed 115%, so a decent amount of people decide to watch it more than once, which is also really fantastic because this was just a 15-second short and average view duration of 17 seconds. So yeah, very nice there. Next short got 5,600 views. This one got me 5 subscribers, and YouTube paid me 94 cents. So again, this one didn't get over 100% average view duration. This one, the average view duration was 19 seconds. This is a 21-second short, so didn't perform as well as the previous one. And last one for this video here, 9,200 views, got me 17 subscribers, and YouTube paid me out 75 cents. So is it worth it to make YouTube shorts and have YouTube pay you for them? For me, it's kind of worth it because it doesn't take super long for me to actually just shoot one real quick and edit it. So if I wanted to, I could produce shorts on a daily basis, but I'm not sure how that'll do for my channel, having YouTube push like only shorts as opposed to my long form content, because I would make more money from my longer form content than I do from YouTube shorts. So trying to find a nice balance. I'm trying to figure out if I want to like publish like every other day, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I might do that next month and just see how that works out. But this is how much YouTube paid me for YouTube Shorts for the month of November. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.